Hi there. Overall, there are 5 types of roofs available for your home. Here is a look at each type to help you determine which roof is best for you. 1. Asphalt shingles. Fiberglass mat is embedded within the shingle for additional strength and resistance to wear and tear. These shingles are especially popular for sloped roofs, as they are cost-efficient, sturdy, available in numerous colors, and easy to place. 2. Clay tile. Clay tiles are aesthetically pleasing, but costly. They are typically grouped with one another as they are materials used for masonry roofing and have specific requirements for installation. Concrete and clay tile roofs may be ideal in Texas, as they do best in warm climates with rainfall. 3. Wood shingles and shake roofs. Shakes and wood shingles are typically derived from red cedar, eastern white cedar, or Alaskan yellow cedar. This wood is dimensionally stable, and they have more of a coarse texture than asphalt shingles. 4. Slate roofing. Most of the roofing slate on homes in the United States is derived from slate deposits in Pennsylvania and Vermont. This style of stone roof is costly to manufacture and difficult to install. Slate shingles are known to last upwards of a full century. This type of roofing is incredibly resistant to all weather conditions and has intrinsic damage-resistant properties that help it withstand temperature extremes. 5. Energy-efficient shingles. Shingles with the Energy Star rating provide the protection necessary while simultaneously enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Cool roofs are engineered to reflect the sun's rays, reduce the heat transmitted to your home, and minimize the need for air conditioning. If you have questions regarding the different types of roofs available for your home, call Elevated Roofing at 469-305-0010 or visit elevatedroofing.com for a free roof inspection today.